Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload and embed SCORM packages into Pluto LMS. Course instructors sometimes use a third-party tool to package, sequence, and export courses in a shareable format called a SCORM package. Once you have a SCORM package designed, you can upload and embed it into the Pluto LMS, and once embedded, users are able to interact, get feedback, and see reports all within the Pluto LMS platform. To upload a SCORM file, once you're going to do in the applicable course, I'm going to scroll down to module 3 and I'm going to click on add course content. And this time I'm going to select the SCORM package option over here. Now what's required is to give the SCORM package a name and then add the SCORM file. I'm going to call it SCORM example. And I'm going to go ahead and add my SCORM file that I've downloaded. And next I'm going to click on save and display. Now I'll be taken to the SCORM summary page, which gives me a summary of how the users have interacted with it. I can also enter the SCORM file, and I can also see the reports of the SCORM package itself. I'm going to go back to info, and I'm going to click on enter. I'm going to show you what the SCORM file looks like once it's been embedded into the course. Close the left-hand navigation file. Here I can see I have my SCORM file that's loaded up. I can click on introduction and I can start participating in the work and going through all the content modules. I'm just going to go ahead and click around on it to give you a good example of what SCORM is and how it works. But basically there's going to be these interactive components that are designed. You can see it's set up in a modular way over here and sequenced in a way that makes sense.